Hey tech fans, what if your next Samsung Galaxy could ditch Google's Gemini for a brand new AI? Buckle up because the Galaxy S26 might just bring Perplexity AI to the table. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's dive into the future. Samsung's next flagship could shake up the AI game with a bold move, partnering with Perplexity AI. Want to know how this could change your phone experience? Stick around. Alright, let's break it down. According to reports, Samsung's in talks with Perplexity, the AI startup taking the world by storm, to pre-install its AI assistant on the Galaxy S26 line, which is set to drop next year. This isn't just a rumor, this could be one of Perplexity's biggest mobile deals yet, following their collaboration with Motorola. Now here's the juicy part. Samsung isn't kicking Google's Gemini to the curb. Instead, they're planning to give you the power to choose. During the initial setup of your Galaxy S26, you'll likely get to pick between Gemini or Perplexity as your assistant. And get this, you might even be able to switch between them later in the settings. But wait, there's more. Samsung's also rumored to be weaving Perplexity AI into their Samsung Internet browser. That's a direct shot at Google Chrome's dominance on Android. Imagine faster, smarter searches powered by Perplexity AI right from your Galaxy phone. Let's be real, Samsung's Bixby has struggled to keep up with the likes of Siri or Gemini, but teaming up with Perplexity, that could give Samsung the edge it needs to stand out in the AI race. This move might even challenge Google's grip on the mobile system market. Samsung's not stopping there. This partnership aligns with their bigger plan to build a full-on AI ecosystem through smart acquisitions and integrations. The Galaxy S26 could be the centerpiece of this AI revolution. So, what do you think? Will Perplexity AI make the Galaxy S26 a game changer, or will Gemini still reign supreme? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We're dying to hear what you think. If you're hyped for more tech scoops like this, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to join the GadInsider crew to stay in the loop.